Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how I add a little bit more bedazzle to this dress. And it is raining, by the way. I'm in the car, well, I'm in the van. I'm at work, so yeah. And again, if you don't know, I'm not adding music anymore because I got like a copyright claim on a few videos, so I'm just not going to. But this is what I got from Amazon, and it has like tweezers, and it has tweezers and the extra bedazzles or whatever, and then the B7000. Then I have this rhinestone trim. It's just like super long, and you can just cut it however you want to cut it. And there are different shades of green in this one. And again, it's just like a long trim, whatever. I don't know the freaking name. It's just long. You cut it however you want to cut it. And the B7000, I like this a lot better than the E6000. And I love it because it has like the precision tip on it, and it has the needle goes back in so it doesn't dry out or whatever. So yeah, I really like this a lot more than the E6000. And this is the dress that I'll be working on. I'm only doing the half, by the way, as you can see in the thumbnail. This is the box that I used to sew the applique on, and it's like it was super soft and flimsy. So make sure you get like a new box or something, because this was too flimsy and it did not work out how I wanted it to work out. So make sure I get a new box, or if you have a mannequin, the mannequin will work just fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna add the gems or jewels. I'll just say gems. I'll just add the gems like in a V shape. You can add it however you want to add it. Like you can add it all around. You can add it even on the green. Like you can do what you want to do, but I will be adding it. Well, I will be designing it or putting the design like a V design. So I'm starting off with the green, well, the dark green. The bigger ones first. And literally all you do is just put a dot of glue on it, on the mesh, and then just get the tweezers, pick up the gem, and place it right where the glue is, or where the glue dot is. And then take the gem, just place it on there. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't even know why this video is 7 minutes long, but yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just do it. And I think I let it dry for like 30 minutes to an hour because I was like drying clothes at the time. But yeah, I feel like it dries a lot quicker than E6000, and it doesn't have like a really bad smell as E6000. So yeah, y'all should really try it. So aside from this video, I honestly don't know what y'all want. Like I feel like I'm just putting out the same videos, and I really want to do like different things. So I'm not sure what I should do or what I should post. So please let me know what y'all think I should post, or what y'all want to see more of. And again, I'm just doing like the V design, and I'm only doing half of this right now. Oh, and the reason for me doing half is because it was so flimsy. Like the box, or the, you know what I'm trying to say, the box. I'm just gonna say the box. The box was super flimsy, so I couldn't like make it super straight to do the whole thing. So I just did half, and then let that dry, and then I was gonna do the other half. Now it's time to add the rhinestone trim. You're gonna measure out however long you want it, and then just cut it off. Now all you're gonna do is just make like a little line, not a really long line, but just like a little line just to start it off. Hopefully you can see it in this clip. Just a little line, and just place the beginning of the rhinestone trim. Just place it down and put some pressure on it, and you'll be good. And then do the same for the rest of them. And you can add as little, as much, like whatever you want to do, just do it. Now on to the next green, or next shade, not next shade, next side. I don't remember what I did, but next one. Again, I'm doing the V design. You can do it however you want to do it. But that's all for this video. Again, I only did half because the box was flimsy. So I did half, then let that dry. Then I was just going to do the other half. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna be making more videos, I promise. I'm sick of seeing this green on my YouTube channel, on my TikTok. I'm sick of seeing this green. But yeah, I promise it's gonna be more videos coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.